Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Drive in a high gear in snow and ice. Driving your car in a higher gear will help you to keep control. If it's icy and you're struggling to get started, try pulling away in second gear. This should make it easier to get you going, as pulling away in first gear on ice won't give you much grip. 10 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Using higher gears can reduce revs and improve traction. Uphill, leave plenty of room or wait until it's clear so you don't have to stop part way up. Keep a constant speed and try to avoid having to change gear on the hill. Downhill, slow down before the hill, use a low gear and try to avoid braking. 1 March 2018.
Take our lead.
If your number plate, windows, lights or mirrors are covered in snow or ice, you must clear them before starting a journey. You can tell you are driving on ice, and black ice, because your tires make little noise and the steering becomes light.
Let's help you make your mark.
Turn your front wheels in the same direction that the rear of the vehicle is sliding. You've also heard about turning into the slide. These both mean the same thing. For example, if the back of your car slides to the right, turn the wheel to the right.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.